Hello there, this is Michael Jensen from Daily Cash Team. I want to do a unboxing video for my Ganoderma Reishi mushroom coffee powder. And I wanted to make a video to show people what you get and what I sell. This is the no sugar added black coffee. There's 30 packets in here. Each one makes a cup of coffee, so there's 30 cups of coffee in this one. This one has cream and sugar and Ganoderma mushroom in it. Healthy coffee. Three in one, so it's got mushroom in it, it's got cream and sugar and coffee. I drink this all the time. When I have it, I ran out. I purchased like $200 worth of coffee back in April, and I ran out probably a month or two ago, so I just ordered a bunch more. Plus I give these away and I put them in an envelope for people that join my opportunities sometimes. So I give them coffee when they sign up under me. Here's another one, so I got 2 boxes of this one. Show you what it looks like. I also have hot cocoa that has mushroom in it, which tastes really yummy. There is, I think, 20 in this. Makes 20 cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I don't know if you can read that. This one has cream and sugar in it. It's micro ground coffee and Reishi mushroom, Ganoderma mushroom. 1 sachet is 1 cup. So that's this one. There's 20 of those in there. And I do sell them by the box too if you're interested. I'll give you my phone number in a minute if you want to order this. This one has 30. It's black coffee, but I like to add French vanilla creamer with mine. These are smaller, of course, because they don't have cream and sugar in them. And my flash went off, so hold on a minute and I'll show you my phone number so you can contact me. Call me or text me anytime, day or night. Hold on. So here's my phone number. Call me 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I am Michael Jensen from Daily Cash Team, 352-286-8014. Anytime, day or night. It doesn't matter what time it is. I'm usually up late at night anyways, making videos, making my websites, promoting and advertising my direct mail opportunities and my online internet businesses. I also have residual income programs. I have one-time pay offers where you can get free stamps or cash in the mail. You can sell coffee. I have several different opportunities. 352-286-8014. God bless you. Jesus is coming very, very soon. Come to Christ, get born again. Give me a call and a text because sometimes I cannot understand people in their voicemail messages. So if you leave me a text and a voicemail, I'll speak slowly and tell me your name, first name, last name, and your phone number twice. Speak slowly. Thank you. God bless you. Bye-bye.